So hello and welcome to our SketchUp tutorial guide. In this tutorial we will focus on your fundamental tools like line, rectangle, circle and push pull. So these tools form the backbone of SketchUp and are essential for creating 3D models. So getting started with the line tool. So first select the line tool, click on the line icon in the toolbar. Click to start a line and click again to end it. Draw a simple shape. SketchUp helps you by snapping to endpoints, midpoints and other key points. So fourth one is erasing lines. Use the eraser tool to delete lines, creating shapes, combine lines to create shapes. So now creating rectangle. So select the rectangle tool, click on the rectangle icon in the toolbar. So creating a rectangle, click once to define a corner, then drag and click again to create a rectangle. So now interface points. SketchUp helps you maintaining proportion and snap to specific points. Now erasing and editing. Use the eraser and select tool to edit your rectangle. So now mastering circle tool. Select the circle tool, click on the circle icon in the toolbar. To create a circle, click to define the center, then drag and click again to create a circle with desired dimension. Now interface point. SketchUp assists you in the maintaining dimensions and snapping to important points. Now for editing a circles, use the select tool and other tool for circle modification. So now for push pull tool. Select the push pull tool, click on the push pull icon in the toolbar, adding depth. So click on the face and drag to extrude in the third dimension. So now creating 3D object, apply push pull to shape to create 3D object. So congratulations, you have learned how to use 4 of the most important tools in SketchUp. So first one is line, rectangle, circle and push pull. This tool will be the foundation of your 3D modeling adventures. In our next tutorial, we will delve you into more advanced techniques. So be sure to subscribe, like this video and comment below with any question or suggestion for future topics. Until then, bye bye, take care, see you soon.